noticed some clean slime on your window.
Yeah.
Do you want me to clean it for you?
For sure, that'd be awesome.
All right. Hey Matt, the windows are all set for you. Did you want to come take a look?
Yeah, let's do it. Oh man, these things are looking brand new. Ooh. Very good. I love it, man. You guys did a great job. Got rid of all that green goo. Very cool.
We're all set with your windows. As you saw, I took care of all the green goop. How was your service?
Yeah, you guys were quick, efficient, to the point. You know, we've had our earlier conversation, so I got to know you a little bit as a person. So not only good business, but good people as well.
Dude, awesome. Why would you choose our company versus the 700 other window cleaning companies in America?
Sure. I mean, I'm always like the underdog story, right? So a young kid out here hustling, building up a clientele, like that's me. That's been me for the last 12 years, trying to get to this point right now. So I love it, man. I love what you're doing.
All right. Well, thank you so much, dude. We appreciate you, bro.
Of course.